Namaste, friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your time. And thank you for everything. Today's topic is very popular for ages. We all do it for day to day life without realizing it. Negotiating. What is negotiating? Right? We negotiate daily. Either you know it or not. And what is a good negotiation skill? What helps, how does it help you, help me in daily life, at work, in your personal life? Negotiation is a skill which you developed with your experience, with your knowledge, and with your lesson learned, with your failures, right? What is negotiation? Negotiation is when somebody is asking you $5 and you says I'll give you zero. Is it negotiation? Or when somebody asking $5, you give $2 back, and that's negotiation. Or somebody asking $5 and you give $5 back, is that a negotiation? Right? Well, negotiation is nothing of that. It is not exchange of money, exchange of give and take. It is not. Believe me, you will be surprised to hear what I'm going to say next. Negotiation is about relationship. Now think about this. Any negotiation, when you come to that stage, because there are relationship between those two people, two businesses, two parties, two people, right? If you want to learn negotiation skill, if you want to be good at negotiation, number one, you need to know a human being, a culture, the background, right? You have to establish that connection. And we all have gone through that phase where we have to negotiate and make amend with the situation, right? And you have to live your life, either it's work or life. But the most important thing about negotiation is, and if you want to be a successful negotiator, you don't need to read books. You don't need to read and go to college and learn lecture on negotiation. And there are no tricks. We're all human beings. We're all smart, right? What makes you different between other negotiator or you want to be happy negotiator is you learn and respect different culture, or learn and respect different people. And when you start learning about other people, that negotiation become very easy. You don't need to read books. Then it's become win-win because you are building a relationship. You're not building a settlement. You're building a relationship. Now, I know it sounds very weird, but believe me, lawyers charge $400, $500 per hour to settle a case. What they do is nothing. They take one party and left and right, two parties, and they are middlemen. They tell you take 100, take 50, take 70, right? But imagine that in a world where you connect with them directly, in a family life or in a professional life, and you work out a win-win situation. And only way you can do it, not by number, not by power, not by arm twisting or wrestling. You can do it with love, kindness, respect, acceptance. These are simple life's lessons which you have learned. Once you start learning that there is something to give here to be happy, you're going to build a lifelong relationship with that person or that company or that party. So number one rule for negotiation is build a healthy relationship. Try to learn more about them, respect them, right? And naturally, you're going to grow better and bigger as a good negotiator. So once you build a good, honest relationship, there's no place for negotiation because then it will work clockwork. Because you understand them, they understand you, and it's a healthy relationship, a healthy partnership, because they trust each other. So, my friend, in order to be a great negotiator, either you walk 6 steps towards them, or 5 steps, or 0 steps, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is you need to understand them, you need to respect their culture, respect their feelings, and you build a relationship, not a business. So when you have focus on building a healthy, honest relationship with each other, it becomes very easy. You become a very effective negotiator because they will trust you, you will trust them, and that trust is going to take you a long way towards your happy life. And then you can be a fantastic negotiator. And somebody can call you up, hey, mister, Can you help me out? I know you are a good negotiator. Can you help me out in this situation? Hey, you know where you learn from. Well, that's just a tip, small tip to be a good negotiator. There are plenty of more tips which we'll share to be a good negotiator in your work, in your life. But start with a smile, start with a genuine relationship building exercise. With that, you'll get better. Your negotiator skill will be get better, and you can be a fantastic negotiator, a negotiator of happiness. How does that sound? Thank you for joining. Until next week, adios, bye. Hey, stay beautiful, stay wonderful, stay good looking. Bye, ciao.